satisfied. Mr. Big Stuff, tell me, who do you think you are? Mr. Big Stuff, you're never gonna get my love. Who do you think you are? You never break my heart. You're never gonna get my love. I'd rather give my love to a broke guy who has love that's true than to be fooled around and get hurt by you. 'Cause when I give my love, I want love in return. Now I know this is a lesson, Mr. Big Stuff, you haven't learned. Mr. Big Stuff, tell me, who do you think you are?